Shagun, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this look inspired by Sabrina Carpenter's Espresso music video. I absolutely love her look. I'm obsessed with her glowy skin and the overload of blushes. This is the look I recreated. This is the inspo picture. She looks so ethereal and so angelic. I absolutely love the highlighting in a corner thing, and I hope you guys like this look. And if you do, please keep on watching, and before you keep watching, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps me out a lot in here. I'm going to start off with a primer. For that I'm using the Refy primer. I love this primer. This is my favorite primer right now. Just make sure to shake it very well, and you can apply it with the roller that it comes with, and it's really soothing on your skin. So I love to apply it, and it makes my makeup last really long. So I really like it. It's one of those drippy primers. So yeah. So looking at the picture, she has a very her signature glowy full coverage look. So I'm gonna go for that. For that I'm gonna start off with this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury one, but it's currently too dark for me, so I'm gonna use this one. This is in the shade light medium 3. I really love this done. I apply it generously because her skin is really glowy. So it's really, this product, it's really worth it. You can get it on Nykaa and it's absolutely amazing. It's just, you don't need foundation after this. At least I think I won't be using any more foundation after this. But yeah, now with a brush I'm just gonna start by tapping it in, which is the best way to blend this product. It's really flawless. So honestly, so you don't need to blend it a lot, it just blends itself. So my skin, it just looks so glowy. Absolutely love this product. I did a review on this as well. I'll link it up here. You can check it out. I'm going to further blend this foundation with this sponge. This is a cushion puff. I love using these. This just leaves my skin looking flawless, and it's really affordable and very easily accessible on Amazon. You can get it. I got a pack of, I guess, 6 or 7 of these. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go in with the Huda concealer next, just to cover up my pigmentation. I like to use a little bit because this shade is a little darker than my skin tone. I just use to color correct. So yeah, just pack your concealer in, don't drag it. Even if you don't have any dark circles or anything, just pack your products, because it will just push it into your skin and it will make sure that it doesn't move or crease throughout the day. So yeah. Now time for the lighter concealer, or like my actual concealer shade. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Toffee. I love this. This is a pink undertone concealer, which is like my undertone. So it balances out my skin, like my face, a lot more. So I like to take a little bit, not too much, because I don't want it to look cakey. And use this Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Power Boost. I'm just gonna bronze. I don't like to contour, so I just bronze my skin. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the powder bronzer, so I'm not doing it too heavily, just enough to get by. The same brush as I said, and start blending it out, tapping it of course, just giving like overall warmth and color back to my face, otherwise it's looking too flat. I'm going with for the second concealer blend. Just pat it again. As I said, patting is the key. See how bright my skin looks, and yeah. Of course, she has like her signature baby pink blush going on, which is also my favorite thing too. Using the Kiro blush stick in the shade Pink Chiffon. I recently got this and I absolutely love this. I'm going to be using the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight by Charlotte Tilbury. This is so viral and for all good reasons. Just look. This is, I love it. It's absolutely amazing. Don't forget the nose. The nose is one of the most crucial highlight point in this look. Tap it really lightly because this is a kind of like very sheer highlighter. So the more you blend it, the more natural it looks, in my opinion. So I like to just tap lightly and just diffuse it and let the pigment shine through. So I'm going to use a powder. This is the Laura Mercier pink powder. Pat it. Look up also. It helps. Look how smooth. I love this powder puff, and whoever invented these, they did the right thing, honestly. Don't forget to set your smile lines and yeah. Move on to the eyes. For eyes, she has a very sparkly, like here the inner corners are really sparkly as well as the lids. So yeah, I think it's a classic like brown and glitter eye kind of thing. So using this palette, this is a quad from ELF. This is in the shade Pumpkin Pie. Shade a little bit because they are really pigmented, and clearly this is one of my favorite shades. As you can see, I have a pan on it. So I'm just gonna put it in my crease directly and blend it like back and forth till it's like properly blown out and smoky. Another brush. This is the Morphe Madison Beer brush. I love this brush. I'm just gonna take the same shade, just a tinge, and blow it even higher. So like this. Just Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ritz, and I absolutely love it. So this is better applied with a finger, but to reach the inner corner, I'm going to use a brush first. You guys apply it messily. You don't need to be precise with this look, so yeah. I take a little bit more. This quad again. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. This has really pretty shimmer. Dip it into the shade. Okay, I'm happy with the wing. I'm just applying the shade on my lash line, not on my waterline, because I don't think she has it on her. Give them a good squeeze of this. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the washable version, the limited edition one. I'm going to apply like I usually do. Bit of the Rare Beauty mascara because that just enhances and makes my lash. That's my favorite mascara. I always mix it with all of my mascaras. So I'm using the mini one today because yeah, I feel like it. It's really just different. I know you can't see anything because I have a dark liner on, but trust me, in real life it looks really long and voluminous. Next up, I'm gonna use some bronzer, a little bit. I don't think she has a lot of bronzer on, but yeah, I just need a little bit more color to my face, so I'm gonna use it very sparingly. I'm using the MAC Skin Finish Sunstruck MAC bronzer. This is the shade MAC Medium Rosy. I love this. This is one of the very few bronzers which has like a rosy undertone and not a red undertone, so I like it. I'm just gonna tap it lightly, not too harshly, and just let it. It looks really natural, which is the way I like it with the bronzers, because bronzers can end up looking muddy on my skin really quickly. So yeah, I go heavy on my forehead because yeah, I love the look of it, but in this picture I can't really see her forehead because of her band. So this is one of my most favorite powder blushes. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in the shade Ginger Binge in Moscow Mule. I absolutely love this. This is the This is a highlighter, but the shade is of a blush, so I use it as a blush. Thanks to Madison Beer. This is so good. I love it, and yeah, I do is I first start off with the satin shade, like the mostly the pigmented shade, and tap it on my skin. I don't want to overdo it because I just applied the blush. Um, this is not a pink blush. This is more of a coppery orange kind of a blush. I'm going into the glowy part, which is really intense. So just take like a little bit. It's really, just look how beautiful. You don't even need highlighter. Make sure to apply here because that's what she does. Nature lips are basically pink glossy nude lip, which is really easy to recreate. I'm gonna use the K Beauty Hype lip liner. The lip liner just here to contour my lip, and here. MAC Angel Lipstick. This is the perfect frosty, pinky, baby pink kind of shade. So yeah. Apply this gloss by Maybelline. This is in the shade Pearl. I love this gloss on top of like everything. Look at it. So this is it, you guys. I hope that you like this look. My hair is really greasy, so I didn't do much with my hair. So yeah, I absolutely love this. This is one of my go-to looks because it's super dewy and glowy. It looks really good on camera as well as in real life. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you want more of such recreation kind of videos, I'll love to do it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.